sign say?
Wesser Creek Trail. We're at a trail crossroads. Blue blaze. But we're not blue blazing today. No, like we did 2 times ago.
Sign actually says shelter. Three and a half miles again. I see Greg growing out of the top of your head. Oh no, he's just behind you. There you go. So how do you feel so far?
I feel pretty good. This has not been a horrible trail. I'm a little tired, but it's not a bad trail.
Humidity's higher than you think.
You what?
The humidity is higher.
Humidity's terrible.
Yeah, but I mean, other than that, it's been a pretty decent trail.
You guys ready?
Yes. Ready.
All right. Half mile to our lunch break. And if you're 12 years old and you're watching this, just remember your time will come. I see, I've got that on camera. Are you shaking like that?
I'm gonna pull my britches back up. Balance right now.
Allison's a little tired. And there's an AT log.
Why?
Why?
Because I am woman.
Oh my God.
I am woman, hear me roar, a number's too big to ignore. And I've something learned too much to go back and pretend. I've been down there on the floor with numbers too big to ignore. And too much to
Like falling asleep right on the trail. Oh, I won't wake her up. This is pure exhaustion. No, wait. This is pure exhaustion.
Pure